What's up guys, welcome to yet another tutorial. So you figure out how to download this transcript from YouTube with or without timestamps. So the first thing you want to do is subscribe to this channel. Then you can go to the three dots below your video, click on this, then show transcript. This will open up the transcript. You can toggle the timestamp from the other three dots, display the time on or off. After toggled, then you can highlight your whole transcript, and from there you can of course copy. You can right click to copy, or you can also use the shortcut Control V on Windows. Just right click to copy, or you can Control V on Windows or Command plus V on a Mac. Then you copy to your desired text document. Then you can of course save it. From there you can close. Let's recap. The first thing you have to do is open the three dots, show the transcript, toggle on or off on the timestamp the way you desire, then highlight, copy and paste. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.